The tour of the days in Roanoke, Virginia. And there's the lobby of the hotel. As in a hotel, you can do some talking in the of it. You do some talking.
You want me to do? Okay.
Yeah,
this is Alfie taking us through the hotel. He's the hotel manager. So, could you show us, Alfie, what we have to do?
I'll tell you what. You know what you have to do, right? Here's the kitchen restaurant of this hotel. It's got a cooker, and this is the thing that I made the thing with it, and it's glutathic. And I'll tell you what we're going to do now. We're going to go and take up the pool. Here's the swimming pool. It hasn't been built yet. It's a brand new hotel. And in the hotel, we're going to go and look at the elevator now. Here we are. As you tell, the door closed button works. Oh, like that. Here's the camera right on the elevator. It goes in on my feet first, and then take a look at my room. Here got three. This is the traction elevator. Here's the third floor, as you know. Mine was on 201, so go to 2. No close button works. Here's the phone. It's an 88 compliant phone.
Okay.
That's. You got 2. And I'll tell you what now. You can see the whole.
I'll get his toolbox and have a look at that. Otherwise, it just wants cleaning off, I hope.
We're going to go and see room 201. The door should be closed.
Not too fast.
Do you want to go to the loo?
I've been.
Oh,
Yes, let's swipe a card. Here it is. And it's got a full match desk down. Ding! Here's the other one. They brought this from a shop. And now you can take a look at room 202, which is, you know which room's room 202? This room. Here we go. By the way, here's the full match desk lamp. Ding! I'll show you. And now we have to go and take a look at the hotel's bathroom. You don't have to spot your cards for the bathroom. Right away. The door.
Okay.
Right away. Here we go. This is it. Sink. And there's, I'll show you the commode. This is an outer commode. Put in your desk.
Come on, because Bob's going to do that toilet.
Has you got